Morning, children. So today we are going to do grammar. All of you will open this. New chapter, chapter 6. Verbs. What is it? Verbs. What is a verb? Do you know? A word is an action word. જે બી word action બતાવે, any word that shows an action is known as a verb. Okay? There are kinds of verbs also. Now there are two broad categories in which we can divide verbs. The principal verb is the simplest and most basic form of the verb expressing on an action by itself. All other forms of the verb are derived from it by adding a suffix or changing it. An auxiliary verb or helping verb helps the principal verb in expressing an action. See here, all of you. The principal verb is circled and the auxiliary verb is given a bold. He is eating a grilled sandwich. Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. So this is the basic verb. This we have added. Yeah? Yeah. Then children are sitting in the park. So is this the main verb up in first sentence and eating is the second. Here children are. Are is the main verb plus sit. Sit plus T-I-N-G. So sitting. Now in the examples given below we see that the action verb is passed from the subject of the sentence to the object of the sentence. A carpenter makes. Now carpenter is subject. Makes is verb. Furniture is object. We see that the action begins from the subject and passes on to the object, which can be a noun or a pronoun. It can be noun also, it can be pronoun also. Such actions are transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are verbs that take an object. Okay? A carpenter makes furniture. Transitive verb. The bird builds a nest. Transitive. Aunt Seema climbed into the bus. Transitive. Okay? Now, in the examples given below, we see that the action verb is performed by the subject. It is not going on to somebody else. Same. Subject of the sentence. But it does not affect any other person or thing. The bird, subject. Flew, verb. Away. Now, when a verb does not have an object, it is called an intransitive verb. Children, this you learn properly. This is very, very, very important. Okay? See, the bird flew away. Elephants are intelligent. Naveen writes beautifully. All are intransitive verbs. Now, page number 34. See, in each of the examples given below, both the words in bold are the objects of the action. One object is a person and the other is a thing. The object of a verb that is a person is called an indirect object. The object of the verb that is a thing is called a direct object. Yeah. I've written the answers for you. Here the teacher gave the book to Nina. Direct object is book. Indirect is Nina. Ravi made a card for his mother. Direct object card. Indirect mother. She drew the baby a balloon. Direct object is balloon and indirect is baby. Now here I have given all the answers for you. So I will be sending you this PDF. Then after that one more page. Fill in the blanks in the table with the subject of each of the sentences in exercise A. From this exercise, we have to fill this. I'll fill and send you. Also write the object in case of transitive verb. If it is a transitive verb, there will be an object, okay? Now read the sentences given below. The verbs are in bold. In the first sentence, the verb is intransitive. The children prayed. But it makes complete sense. The second and the third sentence have intransitive verbs, which leave the sentences incomplete without the help of the words patient and cold. A word that helps to complete the sense of the sentence, like patient or cold in the examples, is called the complement of a verb. A complement is usually a noun or an adjective. The children prayed, complete. The children are, but what? The children are patient. એટલે શાંત. The food became cold. The food became, but what? Cold. So these are all complements, okay? So children, in next period I will be explaining you further. Okay, bye everyone. I will be sending you the PDF of page 34 and 35. Okay, bye everybody.